In an industry obsessed with sealing everything shut, Google has pulled off something entirely different with the Pixel Watch 4. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Google has made Pixel Watch 4 fixable. Yes, you can finally repair your own smartwatch without breaking it or your spirit. While the sleek new design and upgraded battery life got attention at launch, what truly sets the Pixel Watch 4 apart is its approach to repairability. According to the teardown experts at iFixit, this is the most repairable smartwatch ever made, scoring an impressive 9 out of 10, leaving the Apple Watch and most competitors in the dust. So what changed? For starters, Google ditched the glue traps that usually make smartwatch repairs a nightmare. Instead, the Pixel Watch 4 is held together with easily visible screws, each with its own water-resistant O-ring, keeping the device's IP68 rating without compromising accessibility. In iFixit's own words, gone is the glue, the frustration, and the heartbreak. In its place, screws, seals, and pure design joy. Using just a few Torx Plus screwdrivers, a spudger, and tweezers, iFixit cracked open the watch in minutes. No heat guns, no razor blades, no prayers. And once you're inside, you can remove the screen and even swap out the battery without a single drop of adhesive to fight. That makes the Pixel Watch 4 a true unicorn in the wearable market, making it a stylish, functional, and consumer-friendly smartwatch. It's Google's way of saying tech doesn't have to be disposable. The Pixel Watch 4 might just be the smartwatch we've all been waiting for, one you can actually keep alive with your own two hands and some DIY skills. What tech products have you repaired by yourself? Tell us your pick in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.